Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I'm going to be testing out the cameras on this UMIDIGI F1. Been getting a lot of questions about them. I wanted to do this video so that way you could do your homework. Y'all let me know in the comments what you think about this whole video. Yes, I shot video in 1080p and 720p on the rear. Also the front facing cameras, I did at 1080p. I did some low light pictures and then I took some video on the low lights. But let's get a discussion going. Could you use these cameras for everyday use? That's what I want to know in the comments below. So check this video out. Don't forget to comment. Until next time, peace. Okay everyone, so I'm testing out the cameras on the UMIDIGI F1. I'm shooting this video in 1080p at 30 frames per second, which is the highest you can shoot on this phone. A couple things I want to mention really quick. The camera app definitely needs some help. I wish you could shoot in 4K at 30, but you can't, or at least 1080p at 60, but you can't. But overall, the app just needs some help. It's kind of boring. But y'all let me know how this video looks. How do I sound? How is the wind? Yes, that's the minivan. How does the wind sound in the background? I'm at my favorite park. Look at the ground. Let's see. Try to zoom in. So I'm all the way in there, 4x zoom. What y'all think about it? Not too bad. But again, how's that wind? It's blowing right now. How do I sound? Like I said, I wish I had more options on these camera app, but you don't. It is what it is. But again, y'all let me know. Look at that. But y'all let me know how everything looks and sounds. Do you see any type of focusing problems? I don't know. I don't see it that much. But I'm going to come back with 720p and also a front-facing video. Until then, peace. Okay, everyone. So this is 720p on the UMIDIGI F1. What y'all think about it? Y'all let me know. How do I sound? How's the audio? Look at this tree. One thing I want to mention is on the fingerprint scanner on here, it's pretty much trash. I have a lot of problems unlocking my phone with it. I miss it once or twice every time I try to unlock the phone. The Face ID works really good, but the fingerprint scanner, I'm having problems with. If you have this phone, let me know if you're having the same problems or not. But definitely, I know I am. But how is the stabilization on here too? Because I do have EIS on, so it has some type of stabilization. But y'all let me know how y'all liking this phone. How do you like this video? I'll come back and do the front facing camera in just a minute. But look at the sky. It's a beautiful day in Texas though, by the way. But y'all let me know what y'all think about it. Again, how do I sound? I want to test out the mics on this camera and this phone. Stay tuned. I'm going to come back with the front-facing camera in just a minute. Peace. Okay, everyone. So this is the front-facing camera on the UMIDIGI F1. How do I sound and how do I look? Look at that pretty face. But what y'all think about it? Could you use these front cameras for vlogging? Could you just use them to take your selfies? Y'all let me know. So far, what I'm seeing on the phone, it looks pretty good. I don't know how the audio is going to be, though. The mics on some other phones are not the greatest, but y'all let me know how this looks. Look, I'm going to change my view. Like I get bad sunlight there. So, but definitely y'all let me know how everything looks. Stay tuned. I'm gonna come back with nighttime footage really soon. That way you can see how these cameras do in low light. Want to give y'all enough homework that you can do. Make your decision on if you want to pick up this phone. Remember, it's only $219 on Amazon. Other spots you can get it for $199. May take a little bit longer to get to the US. But y'all let me know how do I look and how do I sound on this video. I'm gonna come back with the nighttime in just a minute. Peace. Okay everyone, so this is 1080p at nighttime on the UMIDIGI F1 phone. The slow pan of the sky. What do y'all think about it? Y'all let me know. Yes, that's Walmart in the background. Wait, I'm gonna have to get y'all to Big Lots. Check out the light. Messes with the phone somewhat. But there's Big Lots. Yes, I'm in my normal spot. Walking around. How do I sound? How's the audio? Could you use this phone at nighttime? Look, there's some mud. Looks like it's been there for a while. But y'all let me know how I look and how does the video look and how do I sound. Bam. I'm gonna go give me a massage one day. But look at the rocks. Camera actually does pretty good in this light with the video. At least I think. But y'all let me know. I'm gonna come back with the front facing camera at nighttime so we can wrap this video up. But y'all let me know what y'all think about this UMIDIGI F1 cameras. Until then, peace. Okay everyone, so this is the front facing camera on a UMIDIGI F1. What do y'all think about it? Yes, that's Big Lots in the background. What y'all thought about this whole video? How did these cameras do for the UMIDIGI F1? Don't forget, it is $219 on Amazon. For this price, I think the cameras are pretty decent. They have some problems, you know, in low light pictures. Also, the fingerprint scanner is still messing with me. And the camera app could use a lot of help. Different options on there. But overall, pretty good. Do you think you could use this as an everyday phone? Y'all let me know in the comments. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do so. Follow me on Twitter at Forbes Reviews to become part of the BAM Nation. Until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.